Math. Now, AI has just been released, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into this powerful new AI tool. If you're looking for the latest and greatest in AI software, stick around to find out what makes Math now stand out from the crowd and why it might be the solution you've been waiting for. First, let's talk about its core feature. Math.now is designed to simplify complex data analysis. Whether you're dealing with financial models, research, or just trying to organize large sets of numbers, this software helps you crunch data faster and more accurately than ever before. Its intuitive interface is built for professionals, but don't be intimidated if you're new to the game. It's user-friendly and scalable for both beginners and experts. What really sets Math.now apart from other tools is its ability to integrate seamlessly with your existing systems. It connects effortlessly with everything from Google Sheets to enterprise-level platforms, letting you plug in your data and start analyzing in just minutes. If you're tired of jumping between tools, this integration will save you hours every week. Math.now AI also leverages cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to deliver actionable insights from your data. Not only does it process raw numbers, but it helps you make sense of them by predicting trends, identifying outliers, and even suggesting next steps. This is where the software shines. No more guesswork, just solid recommendations backed by data. Another thing you should know is that it's lightning fast. Traditional data analysis can take hours or even days, but with Math.now, you can run complex models in real time. Whether you're working with big data or small data sets, the speed is one of the most impressive aspects of this software. It's a game changer for anyone who needs fast, reliable results. Security is also a huge priority. Math.now follows the highest standards of data protection, so you don't have to worry about breaches or losing sensitive information. You can trust that your data is in safe hands. For those of you who are into collaboration, Math.now makes teamwork easier. You can share your projects, collaborate with colleagues in real time, and track changes, all within the same platform. This makes it ideal for teams that need to work on the same project without the hassle of emailing back and forth versions. And here's a final standout feature. You can try it for free. Yes, you heard that right. Math.now offers a completely free trial, so you can experience all of these benefits without any commitment. If you're still on the fence, I highly recommend giving it a go. Click the first link below to access the free trial and see firsthand how Math.now can work for you. If you've been searching for a tool that can handle complex data analysis quickly, securely, and with cutting-edge AI, Math.now might just be what you need. After testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say it's one of the best newly released AI softwares on the market. Make sure to check out my list of recommended AI tools in the description, where I share all the software I've tested and trust. Whether you're just starting or looking for more advanced solutions, there's something for everyone. Try Math.now today and see for yourself why it's generating so much buzz.